Hi, this is Dell 3524 here, and we're going to be removing the RAM and replacing it on the Dell Optiplex Sx270. So what you want to do is to get into the computer itself, you'll want to push this tab up, screen tab up, and holding your finger, you'll slide that out. So let me do that. Alright, so what you want to do is press this out, and then slide this forward, still having your finger pressed against that, release. Once you slide that, lift that up, and then you're inside the machine. Alright, once you have that, you'll see you have the RAM DIMM ports right here. So what you want to do to get them out is you want to take your finger and put them on those white tabs and push away. And then take the RAM and lift up, and you have it out. Then you'll have this empty DIMM slot. Then you want to take your new RAM, and there is a little slit right there. You can probably see it. It's right there. You want to line that up with the missing part of the piece of RAM. So you will line that up, put this in, and then firmly you want to press this in until you hear it click, and then that is removing and replacing the RAM of the Dell Optiplex Sx270. Any comments, questions below?